Hi everybody, Troy from the very snowy white off-grid project in the do-it-yourself world. The trees are white and beautiful. It's crunching under my feet. It's not much anymore. The amount of snow we had this morning was insane, and we got the Jeep going. We took the Jeep to work, and we had to, believe it or not, you never know it by looking now, we were in four-wheel drive this morning, driving out of here. But it's all gone. It warmed up and it went away. So the first snow really wasn't that much. It was a good 8 inches, I think, though. It was wet snow, so it wasn't that, that thick. It was compacting as it came down. Well, I think we got a good 8 inches, and then the sun sort of semi came out today and thawed it all off, but we were four-wheel drive going in this morning. Good to have the Jeep. Very, very good to have the Jeep. It served us well today. But it's a beautiful look. I'm not ready for it, but it's here. It's here anyway. So I've been busy. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. Actually, been working on DIY tube and taking a break for a while. A lot of things happened, which I'm not going to talk about on the camera, but some people know what that means anyway. And so I took a break, and I worked on DIY tube pretty heavily for a while there. I think it's been 7 weeks since I've been making YouTube videos regularly. And, well, here we are at the homestead. First snow of the year. All snowy white. And we'll see what comes now. The DIY tube has been a very intense project. Very much work. Very, very, very busy. And kept us going. Look at that. We had a nice, beautiful orange sky earlier, but it's clouding up. But anyway, DIY tube has kept me really busy, and now we have a website, which, as you know, was working already, and now we have our own blockchain and our own cryptocurrency, DIY tube coins, and with a blockchain and cryptocurrency, you're open to the world, and people were mining our coins, and some certain people got some of the coins, as is fair for everybody, and then we got in a coin exchange, and then these certain people set up their coins to sell at a fraction of what they were supposed to be, and they're rejoicing in the destruction and the end of DIY tube. But what it means for everybody else is bonus. There's a discount out there. Anybody wants to pick up some coins, I'll put the link down below. Anybody who's involved or knows cryptocurrency knows that if somebody starts a new blockchain and a new cryptocurrency, and I've got coins for 10 cents and all the other miners got coins for sale for 10 cents and somebody puts them down for a fraction of that, then when those are gone, what's the value going to be again? 10 cents. So somebody's going to get an incredible, instantaneous return on investment, instantaneous increase in their value, whoever goes and buys them. But we're still working on some things behind the scenes, so we're not really marketing yet. So all is well. And honestly, that's all I've been doing. The homestead has been at rest, and I haven't done a single thing here on the property since the last time I showed you my camera, or had my camera in my hand here on the property. I haven't done anything. We have been working our butts off on the store, building up the store, and becoming active members of the community in Gaylord, Michigan, where we have our store. We're becoming well known, which is nice. It's a really nice feeling. And yeah, we're just not here enough anymore. We do have the wood stove going, and it's really nice to come home. 12 hours long that wood stove burns. 12 hours it burns on pine. It is so nice. Sorry I move a lot because I'm cold. I'm sort of shirking a lot. But out here it's not nice. But that wood stove, we put 4 pieces of pine in it. 4 pieces. That would be like one log, split into 4 pieces, and close it up. And 12 hours later, there's enough to throw in some more pieces and fire it back up. So I think we go through 12 pieces of wood in a 24-hour period. Sometimes up to 14 pieces if we're burning hot to... right now I'm burning out the pipes to clean them. And that's it. Really super efficient, that stove. So I may just keep the camera going from now on, from time to time over the next days, and get more back into YouTube. See what happens. And DIY Tube. DIY Tube is now my primary job now. And I'm going to be full-time, but as long as I make videos, I'll always upload them to both. There's no point in doing one over the other. No point at all. So, Melanie's been making videos again, but sharing them privately on her own sites and sources. But she's getting more back into it too. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, just letting you know I'm back, and we're still going. Sorry about the lapse there. Just had some issues to take care of in the behind the scenes, and a lot of you will understand and know what I mean. Some of you don't, and if you don't, just understand. Sometimes life happens, and here we are. So, well, I'm gonna go in and warm back up by the nice toasty fire. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And do go on over to DIY Tube. We are paying 1 cent worth of coin for every comment, and we'll teach you about cryptocurrency and teach you how to use it, how to cash it out, what to do with it, how you pay your bills with it. We'll teach you everything you need to know. And we're going to make it as easy as a few mouse clicks. So go check it out and create an account. You get instantaneously monetized and get some coin. Talk to you all later. I'll put the links for everything I talked about below. Another night over here at the Off-Grid Homestead.